Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 8 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 5, Cell Structure and Function. Video part 2, question number 1. Main distinguished feature between plant cell and animal cell is. So cell membrane is present in both of them, plant cell and animal cell both. Plastid is present in only plant cell. Cell wall is present in only plant cell. Okay, you can see here. And so answer will be your both option B and C. So 21 answer is D. Question number 22. The branch of biology and medicine concerned with the structure and function of plant and animal cells is known as cryptology. No, it is cytology. So 22nd answer will be option B. Question number 23. The cell membrane controls the movement of substances into the cells only, out of the cells, both into and out of the cell, in no direction. Actually, in both of into and out of the cell. So C option. 23rd answer will be option C. Question number 24. The membrane which binds the chromosomes and nucleus inside nucleolus inside the nucleus is cytoplasm, nucleoplasm, nuclear membrane, or cell membrane. So this is your nuclear membrane. Actually, nuclear membrane binds this to both so that the nucleoplasm cannot come outside. So 24th answer will be option C. Question number 25. Different colors of flowers in plants is due to the presence of cell membrane? No. Cell wall? No. Plastid, due to the presence of plastid. 25th answer will be option C. Question number 26. The liquid containing dissolved sugar and salts in the plant vacuole is xylem, phloem, cell sap, and all of them. So this is your cell sap which is present inside the vacuole. This is your vacuole. The 26th answer will be option C. Question number 27. Which one of the following statement is correct? Plant cells have small vacuole. No, plant cells have large vacuole. An animal cell has chloroplast. No, plant cell has chloroplast. An animal cell has cell wall around it. No, they have cell membrane around it. Plant cell does not have plastid. Wrong. Plant cell has plastids. Answer will be none of these. 27th answer is option E. Question number 28. A suitable term for various components of cells is tissue. No, tissue is the collection of cell which performs a specific task. Cell organelles. So yes, this is the component of cell. The 28 answer will be option B. Question number 29. Cell theory was given by Charles Darwin? No. Theodor Swan? Yes. Matthias Jacob Sliden? Yes. The 29th answer will be your option D. Question number 30. A nerve cell is long and has projected so that they can bring about the movement of bring about the movement in the body parts, make contacts with many other nerve cells. This is true. Carry water and mineral salts from roots to leaves. False. Carry messages over long distance, that is between brain and other parts of the body. This is true. The answer will be 2 and 4. It is in the option number C. You can see I have just pasted here the nerve cell. This is the dendrites through which the message just transfer from one cell to another cell. And this is your axon terminal. These are the axons. So 38th answer will be option C. Question number 31. Small rod-like organelles which oxidized food to produce energy are. So this is rod-like organelle. This is your mitochondria. Mitochondria is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. Option B will be your answer. 31 answer is option B. Question number 32. Dash is the largest cell. Human nerve cell, egg of an ostrich, egg of blue whale, and bacterial cell. If we talk about the independent cell, then the largest cell will be your egg of an ostrich. The 32nd answer will be option B. Question number 33. A cell organelle which contains most of the hydrolytic enzyme is called ribosome, peroxisome, lysosome, mesosome. So this is your lysosome. It contains the hydrolytic enzyme. The picture is pasted here. 33rd answer is option C. Question number 34. Dash is carried out by ribosome. Lipid synthesis, protein synthesis, respiration, and photosynthesis. So ribosome, you can just see here, it is the amino acid. These are the amino acids and it is present in the protein. Answer will be your 34th answer B. Question number 35. Plastids present in roots, seeds, and underground stem of a plant is chloroplast, leucoplast, chromoplast, and chlorophyll. So which type of plastid is present in all three, roots, seeds, and underground stem? So it will be your leucoplast. 35th answer is option B. Question number 36. Protoplasm inside the nucleus is called inside the nucleus, that is your nucleoplasm, and inside the cell, that is your cytoplasm, and both of them is known as protoplasm. Inside the nucleus, nucleoplasm. 36th answer will be option C. Question number 37. Which one of the following lacks a prokaryotic cell? Cytoplasm, cell membrane, chromosome, or membrane bound nucleus? The prokaryotic cell does not have membrane bound nucleus. Option D. 37th answer is option D. Question number 38. Father of microbiology is Robert Swanson, Leeuwenhoek, Robert Hooke, or Robert Brown. It is your Leeuwenhoek. 38th answer is option B. Question number 39. An organelle spherical in structure contains the genetic material is spherical in structure, that is your nucleus. Nucleus contains chromosome. Chromosome contains DNA, and DNA contains gene. That is your genetic material. So answer will be your nucleus. 39 answer will be option D. Question number 40. Dash is the powerhouse of the cell. The powerhouse of the cell is the mitochondria. It synthesizes the energy from the glucose. Option B. 40 answer is option B. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.